So you can talk to me as a flight attendant. Always see my progress through life.
Whether it works for you or not.
Thanks, bye. It keeps you busy enough. Your job. How cute. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Hilda. I am a Nigerian lifestyle YouTuber based in Lagos. Yeah, ensure to like, comment, subscribe, and be notified of new videos whenever I upload. I'm actually excited. So you can talk to me, guys. I'm so excited for this look because when you know that the makeup artist is bad like that. So that's how I feel, and I'm going to be taking you guys through the whole process, and I cannot wait for you guys to get to see the actual results. Okay, so yeah.
Because I have read, I have studied, done all of the homework. I know what is there when it comes to marketing, positioning, strategy. I know what
your process now. I saw your story that you were like,
yes, I just
come with me, but you didn't follow through.
That's really a bad game.
But was it worth it?
Okay. So what keeps you in that job is passion. The longer you stay, the longer people see your value. You that they can
sing it. Like, right?
You don't need a lot of followers to make money like before.
Oh really?
Yeah. You can be a UGC creator.
It's the same soap for your body and your face.
Some are grateful. So you have one day off every.
I just don't want to be known as a flight attendant. Finish.
But you need
I want to.
That's
what I'm going
first.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to break into, like the social media things.
These are things that, as me, I have someone that told me. Position as a funny guy.
It's a talent.
Just position as a very senseless funny guy.
Yeah.
That's your catch. So have people stay more because of your personality. Just be known as a personality that is funny. That will be able to navigate any brand. You work for fashion brand, you work for skincare brand, you work for any brand, and you will fit in.
They are natural.
It works for you.
From it first.
Yes.
It keeps you busy enough to not focus on yourself. You needed to focus on yourself, but that person was something else, something to do.
Yeah, it feels like the person was blocking your growth or something. Yeah. I don't know. Or rather reflecting.
No, that person was the perfect distraction from. Like you were supposed to be like
you're supposed to be focusing on yourself.
You're supposed to be sweeping this room, but instead of sweeping, you're using time to greet somebody. So that you will not have to focus on the clean up or the room. Yeah.
That's true. And the girl was asking me, like, I can't date you.
I want you to chill. You don't have to work so hard. Or
yeah, they are not. Relax. They don't have that drive like you. I don't know how to explain it.
I get it.
Like they allow life happen to them.
No, there
are some people that actually don't want to be known.
They're contented.
Yes, this is who he is. Choose whether it works for you or not. Don't now try to be changing it. Be ambitious. You end up killing yourself.
How cute.
Why are you talking to me?
Well, that's as the Lord will have it.
Good way to know. But first,
what inspiring for you to be that I want to be able to look back at some years and be like, oh, I was doing this at this time, and then this like that, and then I was maybe pitching for this thing at this time, and I later got something better. Or I later got it actually. Yeah. I just want to always see my progress through life, even when I'm married. Like I want it to be easy for me to
navigate,
record my life process, and then while simultaneously working with brands like things I use every day. That's like lifestyle. Nice. I just want to get to that point where I can say, okay, I want to work with Canon here. And then it happens. I know that's like you.
No, it's not far. Stop looking at it like one far destination. It's a fashion OOTD.
Okay, so what are you wearing today?
Wearing a jot.
Yeah.
This top is this basic top, this is normal shirt too. But my shoe is a gift.